Hello guys, this is Aryan and in this video I'll be sharing 10 lines essay about egg. Number 1. Eggs are a nutritious food source. Number 2. They come in various sizes and colors. Number 3. Eggs should be refrigerated to stay fresh. Number 4. Eggs are rich in protein. Number 5. They contain essential vitamins and minerals. Number 6. The egg shell protects the yolk and egg white. Number 7. Eggs are a versatile ingredient in cooking. Number 8. They are a staple ingredient in many breakfast dishes. Number 9. Hard-boiled eggs are popular snacks. Number 10. Some people have allergies to egg proteins. So guys, thanks for watching the video. If you liked it, kindly subscribe to my channel and stay tuned. Thank you.